Lee Min-ho has long been a dominant figure in Korean entertainment. With a career spanning over a decade, he has established himself as one of the most recognized and influential actors in the industry. Now, with the announcement of his latest project, When the Stars Gossip, discussions about his return to television have intensified. This new drama is not just another romantic series. It represents a bold shift in storytelling, production, and Lee Min-ho's career trajectory. The project is already generating extensive buzz, raising questions about how it will compare to his past works and whether it will redefine his status in the industry. So, why is When the Stars Gossip attracting so much attention? What makes it different from other Korean dramas? And how will this role challenge Lee Min-ho in ways he has never experienced before? A high-stakes sci-fi drama unlike any other. One of the primary reasons When the Stars Gossip is drawing significant interest is its unique storyline and setting. Unlike the typical romance dramas set in urban environments or historical settings, this series will take place in outer space. Lee Min-ho plays Gong Ryong, an OB/GYN doctor who finds himself on a space mission under unusual circumstances. His journey leads him to cross paths with Eve Kim, an elite astronaut played by Gong Hyo-jin. Their interactions unfold in a high-pressure environment where survival is as crucial as the emotional connections they develop. This marks a significant departure from the traditional romance dramas that dominate Korean television. The combination of science fiction, space exploration, and romance sets When the Stars Gossip apart from previous K-dramas. It is an ambitious attempt to expand the boundaries of storytelling in Korean entertainment. Lee Min-ho's most physically and emotionally demanding role. Lee Min-ho has played a variety of roles throughout his career, from a wealthy chaebol heir in The Heirs to a legendary emperor in The King, Eternal Monarch. However, When the Stars Gossip presents entirely new challenges that he has not faced before. Physical challenges. The nature of space travel introduces unique physical challenges for actors. Unlike standard dramas, where movement is unrestricted, When the Stars Gossip requires Lee Min-ho to adapt to zero-gravity acting. Simulating the floating movements of astronauts requires extensive wirework training. Wearing restrictive spacesuits. Heavy suits limit movement, making even simple actions physically demanding. Endurance training. Filming in harnesses for long hours adds additional physical strain. For an actor accustomed to playing confident, commanding characters, portraying a man who is completely out of his element in space will test his adaptability and skill. Emotional complexity. Unlike his previous roles, where his characters often had control over their environments, Gong Ryong is a man thrown into an unfamiliar world. He must navigate fear and uncertainty. He is not a trained astronaut, which means he will constantly face life-threatening situations. Deep emotional growth. His interactions with Eve Kim will evolve from tension to trust, requiring a nuanced performance. A shift in power dynamics. Instead of being a confident leader, his character is vulnerable, making his emotional transformation critical to the story. This role demands a higher level of emotional range, as it requires Lee Min-ho to balance vulnerability, growth, and determination throughout the series. A groundbreaking production for Korean television. One of the major reasons When the Stars Gossip is gaining attention is its high production value. Korean dramas have seen an increase in large-scale productions, but this series raises the bar in several ways. Advanced CGI and visual effects. To create a realistic depiction of space, the production team is using cutting-edge CGI and VFX technology. Unlike traditional K-dramas that rely on real-world locations, this series must construct an entire space environment from scratch. This includes heavy checkmark highly detailed space station interiors, designed to reflect real NASA and ISS structures. Heavy checkmark zero-gravity effects. Actors must be filmed in ways that accurately depict floating in space. Heavy checkmark futuristic technology. The story incorporates advanced spacecraft, tools, and survival gear. A-level production team. Behind the project is a team of industry veterans. Director Park Shin-woo, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Love Struck in the City. Known for his ability to blend high-concept visuals with deep emotional storytelling. Writer Seo Suk-hyang, Pasta, Jealousy Incarnate. Specializes in developing layered, emotionally complex relationships. The combination of a top-tier director, skilled writer, and high-budget production ensures that When the Stars Gossip will be one of the most ambitious Korean dramas ever attempted. Global attention and streaming potential. Lee Min-ho is one of the few Korean actors with a strong international following. His past works have consistently ranked among the most watched K-dramas worldwide. With When the Stars Gossip being produced on a larger scale, the series is expected to be distributed on major streaming platforms like Netflix or Disney+. This means a wider international audience will have access to the drama. The show has the potential to become a global success, similar to how Squid Game and The Glory reached international recognition. Lee Min-ho will further solidify his position as a leading figure in Korean entertainment on the world stage. Given that K-dramas are experiencing unprecedented global popularity, When the Stars Gossip could be one of the most watched Korean series of the year. What this means for Lee Min-ho's career. This project marks a turning point in Lee Min-ho's career. If When the Stars Gossip succeeds, it will heavy checkmark expand his acting range, moving away from his previous archetypes and proving his versatility. Heavy checkmark position him as a leading actor in high-budget productions, making him a key figure in large-scale Korean dramas. Heavy checkmark increase his international influence, strengthening his reputation beyond the K-drama market. This role is more than just another acting job. It is an opportunity to redefine his career and push Korean entertainment into new territory. Final thoughts. A drama that could change the industry. The excitement surrounding When the Stars Gossip is not just because it is a Lee Min-ho project. It is because the drama represents a new direction for Korean storytelling, one that embraces science fiction, high-stakes drama, and emotional depth. With a unique premise, a high-budget production, and a strong creative team, When the Stars Gossip has the potential to be one of the most important Korean dramas of the year. Now, all eyes are on Lee Min-ho. Will this be his defining performance? Will When the Stars Gossip set a new standard for K-dramas? One thing is certain. The anticipation is higher than ever. This text provides a direct, detailed analysis of why When the Stars Gossip is gaining attention. Let me know if you need any modifications.